Hey y'all, it's your girl Erica with Erica Makes Plans, and welcome if this is your first time finding us. If you're back for more of this, then welcome back. This box, y'all, funny story about this box. This box actually came a week ago, and I thought it was something else. I thought it was something that I ordered for my kid. Apparently, the thing I ordered for my child went directly to my child's house, which my child let me know yesterday. And then it got me to thinking, what the heck is in this box? I figured out what's in this box. I haven't, before I looked in it, I did open it, so I'm not doing that. But I do know what's in this box, and so now I'm going to show you. So let me take everything out of this box, because this is my first time seeing it. Look at this, y'all. This is an order I placed with Goldmine and Coco. If you don't know, Felicia from Goldmine and Coco moved. I think she was in Memphis, and I think she moved to Dallas. Don't know why everybody's moving to Dallas, but hey. Is what it is. So I ordered a bunch of stuff. Let me move this out of the way. And I was actually really good because I didn't order any stickers. So let me show you this first thing. And everything I ordered, let me go ahead and say everything I ordered is going to be used as gifts. So there you go. So this was in my gift giving budget. It was not in my paper crafting hobby budget. So there we go. So I didn't spend, okay, so I didn't spend all of my money. And I am going to move this out of the way because there is that reflection from my ring light, but that is what it looks like. It's a meal planning shopping list pad. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, every day of the week. Your water stickers are here, and shopping list. I keep saying I'm giving this away. I may actually keep this one. I don't know. We'll see. But I also got this pin. And it's got this nice, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's got this nice pattern on it. Not sure what the pattern is, but I like it. Okay, and then I got a bunch of journals to give out as gifts. One thing is that if I give one of my child's friends, my child has a close-knit circle of friends and has had those friends since they were like, I don't know, at least in middle school, if some of them even younger. But if I give one of them something, then the other ones are like, hey, can I get one of those too? So in order to avoid all that, I went ahead and got these journals. Goldmine and Coco had them. I think they were like a little over $4. Anyway, they were stupid cheap. So I got this one that says Innovate. And I'm not going to open it, but some of them are lined, some of them are dot grid. This one says Timeless. This one says Balance. Trying to get, trying not to have that glare. Okay, and then Refresh. Refined. It just occurred to me. Thrive. And then this one says Evolve. So there you go. So these were gifts that I bought. This was what I got from the Goldmine and Coco, warehouse clearance moving haul. I don't know what she called it, but everything was like 75% off. It was crazy. And so that's what I got. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this haul. And let me know if you ordered from the Goldmine and Coco warehouse moving clearance sale or whatever it was called. And let me know what you got. But until then, I'm out of here.